I'm Couto, Mixologist at Chatham Bars Inn. Welcome to the Sacred Cod Tavern Bar. Today we're going to make one of my favorite classic cocktails, the Last Word. And it's a very easy cocktail to make, easy recipe to remember. So we're going to get started. Some ice in our small tin, got a large tin right on top. We're going to start with our maraschino liqueur, 3/4 of an ounce. Lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce. Green chartreuse, 3/4 of an ounce. And we're going to use gunpowder gin. You guessed it, 3/4 of an ounce. Good shake. We're going to strain that into a coupe glass. And just garnish with a little ribbon of lime. Just expel those oils right over the top. A little rim and float. Cheers.